The Ratchet Hatchet. What we notice first thing about this is it has the ability to be moved. Within the kit you do get an Allen key so you can slacken these or tighten them up as you want. On a standard, standard blending, pop this one back on here. If this was a slightly taller car or slightly shorter tech or a more portly tech, I'm not going to discriminate, but to try and get into the right angle. Now it's not just about us getting into the right angle. I mean, this is a particularly nice car on here. The last thing I want to be is leaning all over the car, belt buckles, whatever might happen, scratching, placing more dents down the bottom of the vehicle. So in an ideal scenario, I want to get my eyes parallel with the board. So I want to sort of purchase my hand off the window here and get my head in. Now this has got a domed head on it, so I do have the option of not coming down square. But any of you guys that like to use a square head, a square tip, you're going to have to really sort of get yourself into quite an awkward position to try and get that flat. Now for me, that's one, that's not comfortable, and two, I don't think I'm particularly stable with it as well. So I'm going to have to bring my arm further up, try and get in line, and already I'm starting to feel slightly uncomfortable. Standard thread, so you can thread any of the slightly heavier sort of titanium tip on there, and the rubber tip. Reason I've got the rubber tip on there is in the end of this there's a standard knockdown as well, so I actually come round and use my standard knockdown. Everything's kind of together, and you can see the angle that this is coming down on the panel is exactly right. Okay, so I'm a lot more comfortable here. I haven't got my body all twisted up to try and get my arm up. Obviously, as soon as my arm's up, my shoulder's up, all of my body goes into the car a little bit more. So this is, a lot more comfortable. So I can just sit like this with the tip exactly how I want and start my blending. And again, it's the micro adjustments that this is most useful for. So any of you that maybe have overlooked this, give it some thought. Good design principle has gone into this, and it may just make it a little bit more comfortable for you. So again, if you've got any questions, comment below or contact myself or Sam, and we'll do the best to get those comments answered. So thanks again for watching.
Please visit www.tdntools.com, or why not subscribe to our YouTube channel to see many more reviews like this of latest tools.